In this video, we will discuss about Orchid OXT price prediction 2022 to 2030. The coin of the self-styled digital privacy champion, Orchid is making a reward push after it fell back from its first effort to rise from the slump caused by last month's flash crash. However, it had a small setback today, 16 March, falling down 2% to $0.24. Orchid sees a growing opportunity for virtual private network in 2022 as the world users look to protect their data as well as gain the value from it. So, with a clear use case and apparently expanding opportunity, what does the future of Orchid crypto look like? What is the realistic target price? What will drive the forecast? What is Orchid? Orchid Labs, which is developed the protocol, was founded in 2017 by Stephen Waterhouse, J. Freeman, Brian J. Fox, and Stephen Bell. The founders brought together experience across open source software technology management, blockchain investment, app package management, and security. Waterhouse co-founded cryptocurrency-focused virtual capital company Pantera Capital. Freeman created Cydia, an alternative to the Apple App Store for jailbroken app device. For created the first interactive online banking system at US Bank, Wells Fargo, and Siemens was one of the core security developers for the Ethereum network when it launched in 2015. The Orchid network brings cryptocurrency to the cybersecurity spaces, provide a blockchain-based peer-to-peer VPN service that connects users with a decentralized pool for provides with surplus bandwidth. It operates what the Orchid websites called a VPN protocol for token incentivized bandwidth proxying and smart contract with algorithm advertising and payments functions. The decentralized nature of the network allows users to maintain their security and privacy as they browse the internet. OXT is the native Orchid token used to exchange value on the network, which operates a pay-per-use model. The token was launched in December 2019. The service runs on the Orchid Bandwidth Marketplace app, which is similar to a typical VPN client. The Orchid protocol runs on top to WebRTC, a common web standard used to transmit audio and video in browser bandwidth users and provides need to hold OXT in a secure Web3 cryptocurrency wallet to be able to use the service. Web3 refers to the next generation decentralized internet, which introduced a governance layer that enables individuals to take control to their personal data and privacy. Users can keep costs low by only paying by the bandwidth they consume, and they can quickly switch between providers to customize the experience. The network uses what it calls a probabilistic navigator system that separates fees across multiple transactions and parties. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, OXT tokens are not mined. Bandwidth providers can stake token to share their surplus bandwidth and acts as a network node in exchange for rewards. The list of nodes is kept in the Ethereum smart contract. Orchid run on the Ethereum blockchain, which has seen its processing cost known as gas price spike, and transactions have increased as the OXT cryptocurrency is an ERC20 coin. Payments on the network need either to convert the gas cost, exposing OXT users to high fee. Orchid Labs responded by adding support for other blockchains that are compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine EVM To avoid the fee, users can buy and sell bandwidth using XDAI and digital assets from other EVM compatible blockchains. Use of the Orchid crypto has been increased. On 29 September, US Regional Bank was selected OXT as one of 88 cryptocurrencies that consumers any buy, sell, and store in its recent launched crypto banking service. US authorized recently approved WAST as the first friendly chartered bank to offer access to cryptocurrencies through a current account. OXT was also listed on the Latoken exchange on 7th October. On 5th November, Orchid Lab released an update version of the app, giving users more control by making it easier to configure and adding new capabilities for multiple hop circuits for exchange privacy. Users can now pay for circuit with prepared XDAI accounts as well as OXT. What has been happening to the OXT coin? The OXT price climbed to $0.7634 on 2 November, its high level since mid-May when cryptocurrency markets sold off their heights. It had previously spiked as high as $0.8631 on 17 April. The price briefly slipped to a small year-to-date loss in June, trading below the $0.20 level, having started at the year 0.2228 OXT, then moved up to $0.15 on 15 August during the summer rally, and bottomed at 0.28 in late September, and the market dipped. Orchid price prediction 2022 to 2030. At the time of this video, crypto data tracker coin index remained bearish to the price outlook to OXT is the short term, with 13 technical analysis indicators giving bullish signs and 15 bearish. It short term OXT crypto market prediction expected the price to rise 7% to $0.25 by 31 March. Coin Arbitrage bot listed OXT as all based to technical analysis in its Orchid price prediction. It said that the OXT price could be $0.41 at the end of 2022 and $0.66 at the end of 2023. For 3 years' time, its price estimate was $2.4. The Orchid coin price prediction 21 to 25 from algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investors project that the coin could be at $0.17 this time next year and fall to $0.015 by 2017. The OXT coin price prediction from forecasting site Digital Coin estimated that the coin could average $0.31 in 2022, rising to $0.34 in 2025. Based on historical data for the long term, the site projected that the price could average $0.01 in 2030. When reviewing these Orchid predictions, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency market remains extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin price will be in a few hours, and even here they give long-term estimates. As such, analysis and algorithms based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. We recommended that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, OXT news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expect opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind the past performance is no guarantee in future returns, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you very much.